Hey everyone, it is Salman Bahu. Welcome to the playlist How to Choose Research Topic. This playlist will be helpful if you are going to choose a research topic for your admission at master or PhD level, or you are going to start a research project. In this video, I will discuss how to identify your research area. Identifying your research area is the first and important step. You need to ask 3 research questions to yourself for identifying your research area. Number 1, do you know multiple fields in management, business, and economic discipline? So basically, when we trying to choose a field, the interest is the most important element. And why we have an interest in some field, it depends on your previous education or maybe your present education. So importantly, when you are going to choose a field, you should know all the available fields in your relevant discipline. Let's take an example here. I did my master's in business administration, and now my research area or my field is international business. So basically, your previous education always lead your interest in any field. So you should have a basic idea about the field of study where you want to work. And also, you should know multiple fields available in your area. I try to mention here some of the names of the fields as an example for you, and then you have to dig out more in relevant field. Second question you need to ask, do you know the sub areas in your relevant field? For example, my field of research is international business, and as a I have an interest in international business, I should know all the available interest areas or the sub areas where the researchers are working or where there is an option to conduct a research. Just for an example, I mentioned few of the research fields and sub areas. Let's suppose in finance, these are the multiple fields, sub areas, and you can work on that. And same for business, economics, management, international business, marketing, and operation research. So importantly, knowing your sub areas is also an important factor, and then it will create your interest into that specific area. Third, do you have a required skills and interest? As I started that you decide your field of research, your sub area in that field based on your interest. And you build your interest based on your previous education or maybe something else, or maybe some conference built your interest on some topic. But another important factor which most of time as a researcher and student we don't pay attention to that factor is the skills. Just for an example and for your understanding, I divided different fields on the left side and some fields on the right side of the slides. On the left side, I mentioned innovation, entrepreneurship, HRM, management, international business, marketing, and on the right side, I mentioned finance, economics, and etc. So as a researcher, if I want to work in the field of international business, I should know what are the basic skills I need to work in the field of international business. Let's suppose, just for your understanding, I need the basic knowledge of econometrics, statistics. I should know the software, and then I should aware that these type of research and fields are more focused on theories and framework. Qualitative research option is also available to conduct the research in these fields. On the other hand, if someone want to be economist, he or she should be aware that he or she should have a high and advanced knowledge of econometrics, statistics, softwares. The research is more focused on quantitative. So the point is that you should know what skills are required and what skills you have to conduct the research in that specific field and sub area. I also want to mention here one thing. So sometimes you have interest and you have basic knowledge of skills, and you know that you need an advanced level of skills to conduct this research, and then the time factor is very important. Let's suppose if you're going to do a PhD and you're going to start your PhD, that's fine. If you have a basic knowledge, you have enough time to build up your skills, and then you can apply to that research area. So most importantly, always make a balance between interest, skills, and time when you're choosing your research area, when you're choosing your research field. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.